Okay guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diet. I'm Dr. Lou. Now, today what we're looking at, it's a dirty keto diet. Now, have you ever heard such a thing? Well, dirty keto is called that, and it's a fact of life for most keto diets. Clean keto is going to be there, and you could do it, but the problem with clean keto is that it's hard for convenience, it's hard for expense, it's hard for getting all of those fantastic range of foods that are got good nutrients in them, are expensive. So even avocados are very expensive. So that is one thing with clean keto. It's really nice, it's fantastic, and I advocate it, and I do it, but I only do it in a certain time frame. So for example, when I go on it and I go to do back on the diet, I usually don't touch any snacks or anything processed, only whole foods and something that is pure meat usually, sometimes a little bit of veg like broccoli, and you know, that's about it. Green leafy vegetables, and that's about it. That gets you into ketosis quickly and efficiently, and that's clean keto. Now, when you go further into the diet, usually when I hit my weight, so I started like an intermittent keto diet back in April last year, 2025. Now, since then, I've lost about 35 to 40 kg over that period of time, and I did it healthily, slowly, and with, like, to be honest with you, very little exercise. Now, I am doing a lot more exercise now at the moment, simply because that's how it works. The more weight you lose, the more you get active. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you 3 meals, so 1 day plan, and I'm going to show you how that is dirty keto, and that is how you're going to have it, and that's how you're going to still stay in ketosis. We don't advocate the dirty keto simply because, you know, it's what's wrong with the modern diet. There are too many chemicals in it. But this dirty keto one will probably just have some chemicals less than a modern diet. So still you're doing good. So, okay guys, so first off, I'm going to show you a breakfast. So it's going to be breakfast, and this is what's important. So listen to this carefully. Dirty keto breakfast: sausage, egg, and cheese wrap. Lovely. A wrap. So what we're looking at here, you've got a low carb tortilla wrap, and most of them come in around 4 grams per wrap. You have breakfast sausage, 0 grams, they're definitely out there. Eggs, you get about 1 gram of carb, 0.8. Again, I'm showing eggs because I'm trying to show as well that actually clean keto, eggs are 0 carb. There are some carbs in eggs. So I'm showing it here in this dirty keto one. Now, though eggs are fantastically healthy, and this is a superfood, you're having it in dirty keto. So it's always positive. Now, cheddar cheese, 0.3 grams there, that's for 30 grams. You can get totally 0, so I would advocate doing that, but don't worry if you can't buy that in more expensive cheese, buy the one with some carbs in it, a little bit obviously. Again, mayonnaise. So mayonnaise is there, 1 tablespoon, not enough to hit the carb calories. Usually low mayo, low carb mayo is just about 1 gram for, you know, a certain amount, like 100 grams, it'd be like 1 gram. Now, so overall, we're coming in at 5 grams of carbs. Now, don't forget, the nutritional information varies massively. It depends on the product, depends on the season. For example, if you eat a strawberry and you eat it in a different time, you're going to have different values of nutrients depending on its storage, when it was picked, and how long it grew for. Just luck as well, genes. So again, nutritional information is always on the balance there, guys. So you've got 5 grams there. You've got your macros are approximately calories 550, protein is 35 grams, fat is 42 grams, net carbs 5 grams. Perfectly fine for keto, no problem. You've got your breakfast, you've got a wrap, fantastic. Now, you can see here, perfect dirty keto breakfast, high in protein and fat, low in carbs, keeps you full for hours, great energy and focus, quick, easy, and delicious. So that's why you would go for this. Now, jumping down the bottom there, you have your supplements. Now, every time I give these, no matter what your diet you're doing, why? Because these will cover all of your nutrients pretty much, pretty much. And the whole idea there is if you feel any problem, you can go to your GP, get a blood test, and he will tell you what you're lacking or you have too much of. So what we see here, supplements will give you the information how to take them. I do this for me, you might be different. So electrolyte tablet there, you've got a vitamin and mineral tablet, you've got a vitamin C effervescent sugar-free tablet, and you've got a multivitamin gummy. Now that multivitamin gummy isn't just looking at it as in saying it's a normal gummy you get from a shop. It's a keto gummy. So keto gummies also usually have inside them MCT oils, or they have biotin to help fat breakdown. They have sometimes caffeine. They have a whole range of things to suppress appetite. Again, it helps you to maintain and control your hunger or craving. So again, you can choose the gummy that you prefer. I'm putting it there because I take a gummy. Now, you can look at my review for my gummies that I take. You'll find a review on here for the one I take. Yes, I will change every now and again. Okay, guys, so here's the note here of information. As you can see, a little bit of warning here. This is a dirty keto, not strict clean keto. Carbs come from low carb products and processed foods. Stay under 20 grams net carbs to support ketosis. There you go, guys. You have your menu there. You can get most of those tortilla wraps. I'll put a link in the bottom there. Just click on it to buy them. Usually they're around about 4 grams. Okay. Now, here we go. You've got, again, I put the nutrients there. They're for breakfast. Take them at breakfast time. I'll leave them there because I want you to have this in your mind. This is a good one for me. If you feel, wow, I'm really active, I do a lot of running, you sweat a lot, that means you're going to need more electrolytes. You'll take another electrolyte tablet, okay? If I do a lot of activity, I take another electrolyte tablet later in the day. There you go. It's always important to know and know how your body feels. If it doesn't feel bad, you're good. If there's some issue, you can go check with the GP. You can have your supplements so you can see what it tells you to do. Now, okay guys, so here we go. We're looking now at lunch. So lunch, what is this dirty keto lunch? We have bacon, cheeseburger, no bun, and pickles. Because the bun is obviously, you can get keto buns. I'm yet to find a bun that is quite tasty and really, really good, but this is a fantastic way to keep you on the low carbs. So what do we have here? Fast, easy, satisfying, keto friendly. Now, 2 to 3 grams of net carbs. You've got here ingredients: a beef patty, cheddar cheese, bacon, burger sauce, and pickles. With the amounts there, you have to go and find on your nutritional information to fit this, or slightly calculate it for yourself. Macros important. So your calories are 760 calories. You've got protein of 45 grams, fat of 58 grams, and net carbs 2 to 3 grams. Awesome. So what is good about it? Perfect keto lunch, high in protein and fat, low in carbs, keeps you full for hours, great for energy and focus, quick, easy, and delicious. So that's also a great thing there. Now, dirty keto again is there to tell you what it includes. That's what you have to get used to. Now, note important again, that's the same one. We understand what a dirty keto is, okay? So that's lunch. Looks tasty, looks yummy. You get all the lovely flavors of a burger without the bun. Okay, guys, so now going on to dinner. So dinner, again, dinner is something which you would definitely associate with dirty keto. Here we go. Bacon cheese dogs, no bun, and coleslaw. So here we go. The ingredients: beef hot dog, yes, 2 of them, 1 gram of carbs. Bacon, 2 slices, 0 carb. Cheddar cheese, 30 grams, 0.3 grams. And because you're allowed to have a cheese with a bit of carb in dirty keto. Sugar-free ketchup, 1 tablespoon, 0.5, and mustard, 1 tablespoon, 0 grams. So those are the ingredients. You can go and find the mustards and ketchup that are keto friendly. This is a dirty keto. You're allowed them. So 3 to 4 grams. There you go, guys. 3 to 4 grams. That's awesome for your dinner. Now here we have calories, 770 calories, protein, 42 grams, fat, 61 grams, and net carbs, 3 to 4 grams. So again, guys, that is it. Don't forget the supplements are there just to warn you. You have to then, take them for breakfast, and then you have to gauge, do you need more or less? And as I said, usually a blood test from your GP is the best way to find out if you have any deficiencies or problems. Okay, guys, so there is a summary. There it is there. Take a shot of it. The supplements are for breakfast only. Counter or use to what the supplements tell you. If you think there's an issue, that's you can use your judgment. And again, it's down to you to say, okay, I'm feeling a bit this. Let me try a supplement. Oh, I feel better now. Must be that. Again, Yes, if you sweat a lot, that's probably the issue. Now, you've got salt as well. Be liberal with salt. You've got sodium and chloride, so you get from the element chlorine chloride, and you get that plus also your sodium. So again, don't forget their ions. Now, here the 1 day dirty keto meal plan. So all three of them together. Just a summary here, and you can see the total net carbs for the whole day for the 3 meals is 10 to 12 grams approximately. So you've got all the information there. The daily supplements are down on the bottom there. They're the ones obviously I recommend. You can find some links for electrolytes and multivitamin gummies in the description, guys. So have a look there, click on them, and you can go be led to the ones for keto. Also, you can see the overall protein for the day is 110 to 130 grams, fat 130 to 160 grams. And more importantly, again, there's the net carbs, 10 to 12 grams. Calories, 1600 to 1900. So predominantly, usually men are doing the diet. So again, quite a bit under the normal calories. What you can see here is dirty keto includes processed meats, cheese, sugar-free sauces, low-carb tortillas, keto-friendly snacks, full flavor, less strict. That's the main idea. So obviously, for example, processed bread is keto bread is again dirty keto. So there's lots of different types of dirty keto. I'll put a lot of the links for the main parts there, so you can I don't know, do cheese on toast. You can do all these different things as snacks. Look for the 7-day plan, guys, if you're interested. 7-day plans on my channel. Fry with seed oils, again in a dirty keto one. I don't advocate, I'm not an advocate of it, because the reason for that is because obviously, yes, there's a lot more chemicals or issues how they produce seed oils. Now, if you have if you have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, that's obviously one that's good. Down to you guys, or use butter, but seed oils are fine. They have chemicals in them. Yes, we know the process. They're not enough to harm you, they say in the industry, and they say that it's still conducive for you in health. There's no huge problems. So yes, you've got them. If you want a dirty keto one, it's all yours, guys. It's down to you. It's your human choice. Off you go. So again, guys, I hope you like this video. Please, guys, you can click in the description to buy a lot of those keto products, which are going to be able to give you low carbs for things that are being processed, and to give you that flavor of things you've had before you went on the keto diet. So guys, please, if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe. Okay guys, see you on the next one.